So let me just read this form. Here's the notice that went out yesterday. We are getting closer to having easy-to-use forms every CPS victim can use to join upcoming nationwide court and CPS reform class actions while collaborator groups organize and manage the information. This form is designed so I can plug each victim claimant's items into the prototype database that I hope will generate the case captions and draft complaint and petition to federal and Supreme Court class actions. Of course, it is available for free download on every page of higherlyrics.org. Also pasted within this message and type in expanding Word document attached. Strongest prayers, Roxanne, Grinage, higherlyrics.org. Okay, now here's the form. The form is titled Public Incident Report Transmittal. American Family Victims CPS and Family Court Corruption Prepare Nationwide Cert Petition Supreme Court Class Action. This form will expand as you type into it or paste your links. Let it expand to as many pages as needed to restore courage to journalism. Tell the truth about corrupt CPS and courts in America. And here's the content of the form. My name is blank. I plan to send by postal mail or by email attachment or by providing link to where I have already uploaded the following items that document my family's victimization by CPS, family court, dishonest attorneys, judges, social workers, foster homes and facilities, etc. I understand that by submitting this form and describe proof attachments that I am consenting to having my experience publicly posted in a database which intends to sue for punitive and compensatory damages the corrupt attorneys, social workers, judges that are proven to have committed crimes against me and my family. I also wish to be included as a plaintiff and/or claimant on behalf of myself and my children for any class action lawsuits that collaborators within the U.S. Citizens-Controlled Public Incident Docket Database, U.S. Corrupt CPS and Family Court Reform Initiative are able to initiate in my federal district and petition to highest court, U.S. Supreme Court. I understand it is free for everyone to participate as long as we live in the United States of America. And these are the items that are on the form now. And of course, this is going to grow. These criteria, these items, these pieces of information, the collaborative clusters will actually insert their own, and these forms will grow. These intake forms will grow. Letterhead or notices that identify addresses and name of any CPS, DHS, case numbers, and social workers, caseworkers. Letterhead or notices that identify any attorney on either side who had any role in your family's custody or child support victimization. Any court papers that show case caption, case numbers, any judge's, magistrate's name, even if not signed but stamped. Anything you had notarized or witnessed, whether you got a chance to show it to CPS or family court or not. Bank and tax refund attachments for court-ordered child support. Bank and tax refund attachments for student loan, especially if you didn't get to finish school because of CPS family court actions against you. Did you file a federal case? If so, put all identifying information here. Did you begin drafting a federal complaint but didn't file it yet? We love to see that too. Social Security, public assistance, food stamps, earned income credit, Internal Revenue Service, statements you received denying or stopping your benefits because corrupt CPS family court gave abusive parent or foster household custody. Did the dishonest attorneys or social workers chat about where they went to school? Did you notice their degrees hanging on the walls of their offices? Internet technologies allow us to find them through class reunions. Letters, journals, email threads, notes in family Bibles, Quran, Holy Quran, Torah, holy texts of deceased, victimized parents and grandparents, people who died with a broken heart, audio recordings, pictures from anyone on this subject, the kids, you, neighbors, friends, family witnesses, etc. Anything you took note of, overheard, or were told about or read about while dealing with the corrupt court caseworkers and attorneys that will help us find their previous civil rights violations, other people that complained about them, prior disciplinary warnings and disqualifications, and where they live at for service of complaints. CPS victims class action seeks to leverage personal accountability instead of their using loophole language in 1983 Civil Rights Act about judicial capacity to sidestep criminal accountability. The corrupt CPS workers and attorneys and judges will be served with CPS victims' complaints at their homes. Paste all your links to vlogs, blogs, photos, profiles where you are telling the crime story of your CPS family court victimization here. List the programs, classes, and hoops you were made to jump through. Any drugs given to you or your children? And then it asks for your email address, your telephone numbers to contact you, your town, city, state, and zip code for identifying your federal district, the names and ages of the children involved, even if they are adults and were already harmed by corrupt family court and CPS, and finally, the amount of damages you think you are owed as a result of lost wages, unfair child support payments, illegal attachments of your veterans or Social Security benefits, loss of food stamps or welfare benefits, tax refund, wasted student loan debt, etc. Don't forget to come to blogtalkradio.com/born-to-serve every Sunday at 11 a.m. where we continue to build the prototype demonstration of an administrative solutions tool, the U.S. Citizens Control Public Incident Report Docket Database. This is Roxanne Grinage. I am grateful. Love and respect to everyone.